A steadfast icon in the annals of motorcycling, the 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet is a testament to classic British engineering and a design that has gracefully withstood the test of time. More than just a motorcycle, the Bullet is a rolling piece of history, a machine that encapsulates the spirit of mid-century motoring with its distinctive thump and unwavering character. For the discerning enthusiast and the classic motorcycle collector, the 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet offers a unique proposition, a direct connection to a simpler, more mechanically transparent era of riding. Unlike its modern counterparts, a ride on a '58 Bullet is an immersive experience, a symphony of moving parts working in harmony to deliver a ride that is both visceral and deeply rewarding. A legacy forged in Britain, perfected for the world. By 1958, the Royal Enfield Bullet had cemented its reputation as a robust and reliable machine. Born from the storied Redditch factory in England, the Bullet was a product of post-war innovation. A key feature that set the 1958 model apart from many contemporaries was its advanced swing-arm rear suspension. This, paired with telescopic front forks, offered a level of handling and comfort that was a significant leap forward from the rigid frames of the preceding era. This legendary machine's heart lies in a 346cc, air-cooled, overhead valve, single-cylinder engine. While modest in its power output by today's standards, the engine is revered for its ample torque and the signature thump that has become synonymous with the Royal Enfield name. This rhythmic beat is more than just an exhaust note. It's the soul of the motorcycle, a calming and constant companion on any journey. The 1958 model also featured the distinctive casquette headlight nestle, a beautifully integrated unit that housed the speedometer, ammeter, and light switch. This elegant design element contributed to the Bullet's clean and uncluttered aesthetic, a hallmark of its enduring appeal. A pivotal chapter in the 1958 Bullet story is its burgeoning connection with India. While the Redditch factory continued producing bullets for the home market, a new chapter was beginning in Madras, now Chennai, India. The Indian Army had placed a substantial order for bullets, leading to the establishment of a production facility there. This divergence would ultimately ensure the Bullet's survival long after the British factory ceased operations, making it one of the longest-running motorcycle designs in history. The unfiltered riding experience, a dialogue between man and machine. To ride a 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet is to engage in a conversation with the machine. It's a motorcycle that demands the rider's attention and rewards it with an unfiltered and authentic experience. With its right foot shifter, the 4-speed Albion gearbox requires a deliberate and measured approach. Finding neutral, a task often aided by a neutral finder lever, is a skill honed with time and familiarity. The upright and comfortable riding position affords a commanding view of the road ahead. The brakes and drums at both the front and rear are a product of their time and demand a certain level of anticipation from the rider. This is not a motorcycle for the impatient. It's a machine that encourages a more relaxed and mindful style of riding, where the journey is as important as the destination. Owners of these classic machines often speak of a deep-seated connection with their bullets. The routine checks, the occasional fettling, and the satisfaction of keeping a piece of history on the road are all part of the ownership experience. It's a relationship built on mutual respect between the rider and their mechanical companion. The 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet in today's market. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet represents a tangible piece of motorcycling heritage. Its value in the classic market is steadily appreciating, with well-restored examples fetching respectable prices at auction. A recent sale of a restored, matching numbers 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet cost over £2,000. The market for these motorcycles ranges from project bikes needing a complete restoration to Concours-level machines ready to be shown. Prospective buyers should look for originality, with matching frame and engine numbers a key indicator of a motorcycle's provenance and value. The availability of spare parts, thanks mainly to the continued production in India, makes owning and maintaining a classic Bullet more accessible than many British contemporaries. A timeless classic. The 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet is more than just a means of transportation. It's a statement. It's a rejection of the disposable nature of modern consumerism and an embrace of craftsmanship, durability, and timeless design. In an age of increasingly complex and digitized vehicles, the Bullet offers a refreshing return to the fundamentals of motorcycling. Its enduring appeal lies in its simplicity, mechanical honesty, and unmistakable soul-stirring thump that continues to resonate with riders worldwide. For those who appreciate the rich tapestry of automotive history, the 1958 Royal Enfield Bullet remains an undisputed and cherished icon.